Welcome to Business News Essay. Today we take a look at how to make money using Google Translate. Google Translate is a powerful translation tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including business, education, and personal use. But can you also use Google Translate to make money? The answer is yes. There are a number of ways to make money using Google Translate, and in this blog post, we'll explore some of the best options. 1. Become a freelance translator. One of the most popular ways to make money using Google Translate is to become a freelance translator. Freelance translators work with clients on a project-by-project basis to translate documents, articles, and other content from one language to another. To become a freelance translator, you'll need to have a strong understanding of the languages you're translating between, as well as good writing and editing skills. You'll also need to be able to work independently and meet deadlines. There are a number of different ways to find freelance translation work. You can search for jobs on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. You can also network with other translators and businesses that need translation services. Once you've found a few clients, be sure to deliver high-quality work on time. This will help you to build a good reputation and attract more clients in the future. 2. Start a translation blog. Another way to make money using Google Translate is to start a translation blog. On your blog, you can share tips and tricks for using Google Translate, as well as reviews of other translation tools and software. You can also write blog posts about translation in general, such as the history of translation, the different types of translation, and the challenges of translation. If you can build a large and engaged following on your blog, you can monetize it in a number of ways. You can run ads, sell affiliate products, or even create and sell your own translation products and services. 3. Become a Google Translate trainer. If you have a deep understanding of how Google Translate works and how to use it effectively, you can become a Google Translate trainer. You can teach others how to use Google Translate for business, education, and personal use. To become a Google Translate trainer, you can create and sell your own online courses, or you can teach in-person workshops. You can also offer consulting services to businesses that need help using Google Translate. 4. Translate websites and apps. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can translate websites and apps for businesses and individuals. This is a great way to use your translation skills to make money and help businesses to reach a global audience. To find translation work, you can search for jobs on freelance platforms, or you can reach out to businesses directly. You can also offer your translation services to app developers. 5. Translate content for social media. Another way to make money using Google Translate is to translate content for social media. Businesses and individuals often need help translating their social media posts, tweets, and other content into other languages. You can find translation work for social media on freelance platforms, or you can reach out to businesses and individuals directly. You can also offer your translation services to social media marketing agencies. Tips for making money using Google Translate. Here are a few tips for making money using Google Translate. Specialize in a particular area of translation. This could be a specific language pair, a specific industry, or a specific type of document. Specializing will make you more marketable to potential clients. Offer value-added services. In addition to translation, you can also offer other services, such as editing, proofreading, and localization. This will make you more valuable to clients and allow you to charge higher rates. Build relationships with clients. Get to know your clients and their needs. This will help you to provide better service and encourage them to come back to you for future projects. Market your services. Let people know that you offer translation services. You can do this online and offline. Online, you can create a website, blog, and social media presence. Offline, you can network with other professionals and attend industry events. Google Translate is a powerful tool that can be used to make money in a variety of ways. By following the tips above, you can increase your chances of success in making money using Google Translate.